Been very topsy-turvy weather, Anna, and we're about to change once again, I suspect. It does look as though the week ahead will be turning somewhat colder, but again we'll see some more very unsettled weather. Rain for us all, but for some of us some snow, particularly in Scotland, and it looks like it will be often very windy. Now our windy and colder air is going to be sweeping its way in across central parts of Europe as well, and if you're heading for the slopes in the Alps, it looks as though we could see some snow here, but also that wetter weather will again edge its way in towards the Balkans, where it's been very wet just recently. So some snow across central parts of Europe, bit of a wintry scene here in the UK as well. And back on this very day in 1978, we had some very snowy weather across southwestern parts of England, drifts up to 8 metres high. Now today, the snow risk is a good deal further north. It's really in towards the Highlands and northeast Scotland, but not just over the hills. Later today and tonight, there could be several centimetres of snow possible. Where's all our wet weather coming from? Well, it's steaming in from off the Atlantic. This great chunk of cloud is going to bash its way in towards the UK, and if we come a little bit closer to home, you can see how the cloud is thickening up. Wetter weather edging its way across from Northern Ireland, and that wetter weather will move away its way across us all, I think, during today. Somewhat lighter rain in the south and that spell of snow in the north. Temperatures quite a range, but feeling chilly as those winds pick up, and a windy night tonight, but for most of us it should be frost free. Here's the rain then sweeping in with that spell of snow in the north. As we go through the night, you can see how the rain sweeps through and clears away from the south coast by morning. Plenty of showers though in the north. They're going to push their way southwards as well. Low pressure never too far away, and the wind's very strong as well. That's going to be a particular feature of our weather, I suspect, during tomorrow. Those winds pretty strong for all of us. Could be gales or severe gales across Northern Ireland and parts of southwest Britain. Gusts of 60 miles an hour or more, so some difficult travelling conditions. So a very windy day during tomorrow. We've also got some wet weather too. Showers or longer spells of rain in the north, pushing their way southwards, and as the temperatures drop, so those showers are going to turn more and more wintry. So feeling cold, windy and some wet weather around too. That should get chased away though for Wednesday night, and it looks like being a cold night, especially in the north where we'll see a widespread frost. And then mixed fortunes for Thursday. Eastern areas largely dry and bright. In the west we'll see the rain gathering, again a spell of snow across parts of Scotland in particular, and those winds picking up. That blows its way through for Friday with sunshine and showers following on behind. Again though, those showers could be on the wintry side. So here's a summary once again. It will be turning colder, continuing unsettled once again. We'll see some rain and some snow in Scotland, and it will be very windy. That's the weather.